pretty excited today. Just got a new package in order. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what we got. Packaging pretty tough. All right. This is going to be pretty cool if it is what I think it is. Get that out of here. It's from Silver Shield. Comes with a certificate of authenticity. Shows that there was only 100 of these made, so it's 5 troy ounces. And let's just look at this bad boy. And it's got Trump there, and Putin, some soldiers. So this thing is 5 ounces. It is pretty meaty. On the back, on the reverse, Silver Shield, 5 ounces. So that is pretty cool. Yep. Silver Shield puts out some really cool art, basically. Silver. Alright, well that's it, guys.